Hey friends, if you wish to take high resolution screenshots on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now there are two ways of taking a screenshot. One is through the sniping tool. Okay, so you cannot change the resolution for the sniping tool, but you can use a different method which has a higher resolution in comparison. Though it doesn't much of a difference, but still. Press Ctrl plus print screen. Then search for Paint in the Windows search bar and open Paint and paste it here. So this is how you can create a higher resolution screenshot. Okay, its resolution will be somewhat higher. In this case, it has mimicked the resolution of the PC itself, which is 1920 by 1080. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.